In this video, I will introduce one command for updating the screen, which it is very important for optimization. If I define again one variable as integer, and let's say for I from 1 to 100, or maybe 1000, this is better, and again selection dot type text, let's say write the I again, and next. Note that when I'm running this macro, for every changes, my screen will update it. And this is not the optimized. We need actually do this command and then show the result, updating after every single changes. That is very bad for performance. In this case, before running your loop, you could use this command. Say application dot screen updating equal false. I set equal false to make sure it is not updating for every single changes, and after that you could actually make it true, and else instead of that actually you could refresh your screen once to make sure every changes has appeared on your board. So I could do that again here, application, but this time I just want to use screen refresh. It's very simple. Now compare it with previous one. Is waiting, and after done everything, it will update it. This is much faster and much optimized method to do that. Yet if you need after doing your loop getting the screen updating live, you could actually enable that by using true instead of false. But I highly recommend you to use screen refresh after that to make sure every changes will update it on the screen. So I remove it and run once more. And there it is. It is much faster and much better for performance.